Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the Meadows stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, how to make the single crochet stitch, and the double crochet stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make an even number of chains. I have already made 22 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 single crochet into the second chain from your hook. You're going to make 1 double crochet into the next chain, 1 single crochet into the next chain, 1 double crochet into the next chain. So now you're going to repeat this sequence of 1 single crochet into the next chain and then 1 double crochet into the next chain for the rest of this row. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 2 chains. For row 2, we're simply going to make 1 double crochet into each stitch across. And that's how row 2 is looking. To start row 3, make 1 chain. Row 3 is going to be similar to row 1, where we alternated between a single crochet and double crochet, but instead of working into chains, we're just going to be working into stitches. So you're going to start with a single crochet, double crochet, single crochet, double crochet, and then you're going to start repeating this sequence for the rest of your row. And that's how row 3 is looking. You would now alternate between rows 2 and 3 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the Meadows stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.